In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for text completion 2026 full guide. Whether you're drafting a technical report, a story, or a code comment, getting stuck can derail your flow. ChatGPT in 2026 is more than a chatbot. It's a precise text completion engine that can continue your thought, protect your tone, and help you move forward without losing momentum. I'll walk you through a clean, reliable workflow to get seamless completions every time. Start by setting the right context so the model understands its job. If you simply say, finish this, it might change your tone or wander off topic. Instead, anchor it with a clear baseline instruction. For example, act as a precise text completion model. I'm going to give you an incomplete piece of writing. Your job is to pick up exactly where the text cuts off and complete the thought seamlessly. Match the tone, style, and sentence structure perfectly. Respond only with the completed text segment. Do not rewrite my original input or add conversational notes. Paste your partial text right after that and stop exactly where your draft ends. For technical docs, emails, or code, you may need the model to fill a gap in the middle of a paragraph. Use a visible placeholder like fill so the AI knows exactly where to write. A sample instruction could be, read the following technical paragraph and complete the missing section designated by the fill token. Match the professional technical tone perfectly. To successfully extract data from dynamic websites, we initialize a Python Playwright browser instance, navigate to the target URL, and wait for the target network activity to idle. Once the DOM elements load, we select the table row container and run fill to clean up the raw string outputs before database insertion. To avoid generic phrasing and cliches, include a brief style guide with your draft. For example, complete the following thought. Rule: keep sentences short and punchy, avoid corporate fluff, marketing hype, and overly complex adjectives. Here's the text. We launched the automated content workflow yesterday. The initial system tests showed a 40% reduction in processing time. However, when scaling the data pipelines to handle concurrent requests, the system small rules like this help the model mirror your voice. When you want creative flexibility, ask for multiple options. Say, read this incomplete text block. Generate 3 distinct text completion options that take the narrative or argument in different directions. Keep each option under 50 words and format them as a numbered list. Insert your incomplete text here. Pick the one that best fits your intent. After you choose a completion, finish with a merge and polish pass. Ask, take my original text snippet and your finalized completion text, merge them into one cohesive paragraph, and proofread so verb tenses and flow are consistent. Use this workflow to keep momentum, protect your voice, and ship clean copy faster. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.